3 ways to ensure that your presentation has more impact, going from average to fantastic. This is 60-second career advice from Job Interviewology. Firstly, know what message you're trying to get across to the audience in your presentation. Have a clear idea of the 3 most important things that you want them to learn and understand from the experience. Secondly, less is more. Stick to the most important points. The more simple the information on your slide is, the more likely your audience will remember and understand your message. And thirdly, insert some humour. It doesn't have to be hilariously funny, but it will provide the presentation with some additional stimulus that will keep the audience more engaged. So try this in your next presentation and let us know how you get on.
If you like this video, why not subscribe to our social media channels so you can keep up to date with our latest content.